Hallo Klasse 10, wie geht's euch? I hope that you've been watching the videos that I've posted, and if you have, then you will have some idea about different cases in German. We don't need to worry too much about what we mean by case, but we just need to know how they work for now. Alright, so if we're talking about in der Schule, in school, alright, it's our topic, in school. We see here that we've got the anomaly because we have der Schule, but it's actually die Schule. The school is die Schule. Also die Stunde, the period. Now the reason this changes to der is because of this thing here. Okay. Now this is a preposition, and obviously it means in. And in this case, if it's within something, then we use a dative case, okay? And this is on this table here, okay? Dative feminine becomes der. As I said, the videos would have gone through that already. If not, look through them again, take some notes. Take some notes about of this table here as well. So we've got in der Schule. So we've got the preposition in, die word becomes der word, in der Schule, in der Stunde, in the period. Okay. So in school, in the period. Okay. So we could say, for instance, in der Deutschstunde, in der Deutschstunde lernen wir Deutsch. Yeah. So in the German period, we learn German. Okay. So that's all I'm going to post for now on this video, because we just want to take short videos. Have a think about it, take some notes. I'm going to post some work that you can be doing, and also some more grammar notes to help you with it. Okay, hope you're all doing well. Auf Wiedersehen. Bis bald.